That's why they said there's no marriage in heaven. Because if there's marriage in heaven, that means you remember who your husband was here on earth. And you'll be looking for them.
But also there, you'll be able to recognize people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course. You recognize your wife is there. Maybe you are not married.
You will not even know.
But you recognize Bromax is there. I will know this Broma. I will know it's Yinka. So you'll be able to recognize that, your own person is there.
Yes.
This is why when the book of life is open, that's why you're going to say, wait a minute, why Brother Matthew is not there? He's been very consistent doing stuff. What happened? That's the part of judgment which we participate during that millennium.
Okay, this text says there will be no tears. Lord will wipe away the tears, right? Our tears. Will there be tears in heaven?
And I don't. There will be no tears. If there will be no tears, there will be no tears. We just be all.
Okay, he said he will wipe away their tears. Personally, I think there will be tears. Like you said, tears of joy. Being yourself here, to bring tears to your eyes. And that is when those tears will be wiped away, telling you, welcome, you did well.
At last.
Yes, at last. So that is when those tears will be wiped away. And that is once and forever. And every other thing will be what behind us.
You see, thank you very much for that.